Boreal forests are Earth's vaults. They do not draw carbon quickly. They lock it away for centuries. Stretching across Canada, Siberia, Scandinavia, and Alaska, boreal systems contain some of the largest terrestrial carbon reserves on the planet. Most of it is not in the trees, it is in the soil. Frozen, protected, stable. This is cold carbon. Conifer species dominate these regions: spruce, pine, fir, and larch. Their needles fall slowly. Their decomposition is slow. Their carbon remains trapped beneath cold, acidic soils. When intact, boreal forests function as planetary refrigerators. They slow atmospheric circulation. They regulate albedo. They stabilize global climate patterns far beyond their latitude. The danger is disturbance. Clear-cutting, mining, and infrastructure break soil insulation. Once permafrost thaws, stored carbon escapes rapidly as carbon dioxide and methane. Restoration here is not about speed. It is about protection and repair. Boreal restoration focuses on three priorities. First, preventing disturbance. Protection yields more benefit than replanting. Second, assisted natural regeneration. Conifers reseed effectively when soil layers remain intact. Third, limited reforestation using native species only. Monoculture planting in boreal zones is catastrophic. Diversity is minimal by nature, but genetic variation within species is essential. Mature boreal systems absorb 2 to 6 tons of carbon dioxide per hectare per year. That number appears modest, but the storage duration is unmatched. Carbon remains locked underground for hundreds to thousands of years. This is long-term planetary insurance. The cost of boreal restoration is relatively low. Because growth is slow and intervention minimal, costs range from $500 to $1,500 per hectare. With a 20% buffer for monitoring, protection, and fire management, boreal restoration is one of the most cost-effective climate actions available. Fire is a variable, not a failure. Natural fire cycles renew boreal systems when managed correctly. The objective is not suppression, it is balance. Boreal forests will not save Earth alone, but if they collapse, no other solution can compensate. They are the lock on Earth's deepest carbon reserves. Break the lock and the system fails.